Hey, if you're trying to sell your home today, the real estate market can't rebound fast enough for you. So some people are deciding to rent while their homes are on the market. Our real estate expert, TJ Larson, is here with us today. TJ, is this a decision a lot of people are making?
They really are. A lot of people who would-be sellers are finding that their home is out on the market much longer than they anticipated, and frankly for a price that's far less than what they wanted to take. So they're really turning to property management companies, and they're turning to the rental market so they can get some income, ride this market out. If you believe that the market's at the absolute bottom right now, sometimes it's an investment just to hold on to your home.
What factors do I take into consideration when I'm making the decision to either rent it or keep it on the market?
Well, you need to have a crystal ball. Do you have one of those?
Yeah, sure. Doesn't everybody?
You want to find out what you think the future values are going to be. Do you think that your neighborhood is in a good position to grow as far as the value is concerned? If you think the neighborhood's going to grow in value, if you can rent the home with where your mortgage is right now, or you can refinance and find that your rental rate is one that will cover the majority of the mortgage, probably best to hold on to that property, rent it, and sell when the market's a little higher.
Okay, it seems like renting the property might be a little dicey if you're not used to being a landlord. Who can help?
Property management companies can help. You want to look for the right property management company.
And how do I do that?
Well, you want to find out what their services are. Is this someone who's just someone with a real estate license that's looking to, place a tenant in your property, or is it a full-service property management company? This is a bit in vogue with the real estate companies right now.
What does a full-service property management company do?
First thing they do is they provide leasing services. They're going to find the best tenant for your property, and they're going to find that tenant in the shortest amount of time. The vacancy rate is a huge factor. The longer that sits vacant with no income coming in, the worse off it is for the owner in that particular case.
Yeah, the scarier it is.
Absolutely. So first we're going to place the right tenant in the property. We're going to run background checks. We're going to run credit checks, and we're going to go ahead and execute a legally binding lease. Then we'll do what's called the move-in inspection. That's basically like if you're going to get a rental car. We're going to walk around that home, take pictures, and find out if there's any damage in the home, and if there's not and we don't identify any, we'll be in a good position when we go to do the move-out inspection to charge the tenant back for that.
Now, are there certain questions I should ask when I'm trying to find what type of property manager I need?
Yeah, I think the first thing I would do is let's find out how legitimate this property management company is. And I can find that out through volume. How many properties does this property management company
have? Are you the first?
Exactly right. Are you going to test the waters on my particular property? And so let's find out if there's some depth there. We've got about 300 properties under management, so we certainly have some depth in the market. Also, what back office support do we offer? Do you have bookkeepers that are trained in property management, property management software? Do you have maintenance people that are trained in servicing homes and giving the best rate to the landlords? All of those are questions you want to ask.
Wow, because that would be my fear as the landlord. What happens when you get that midnight call about the plumbing?
Absolutely. Well, we take that midnight call so you don't have to worry about it.
That is awesome.
Yeah.
Now, tell me, can you keep your home on the market and rent it out at the same time?
In some cases you can. When I started my home leasing, I put that as a service that the MTH companies offered. And so in our particular case, we have sales organization paired with property management organization. So we can put it out for lease and for sale at the same time. And what we'll do in that case is if we find a buyer first, obviously we'll just go ahead and take it off the rental market. If we find a tenant, then we'll usually take it off the for sale market, and we might put it back up for sale as we come towards the end of that lease term.
So this isn't a rent-to-own situation?
We can do that as well, but oftentimes we'll just put it up for sale or for rent, and whichever one happens first, that's the one we'll go with.
Okay, awesome. Now, tell me, your company does property management as well?
It does. We've got My Home Leasing, which is our property management servicing company. We've got My Town Home, which services condominium and townhomes on the sale side, and Maison Properties, which services the brokerage and sale of single-family homes. So
you heard it here. TJ does it all.
That's right.
TJ, thank you so much.
Thank you.
TJ Larson, we appreciate you.